Waste management has been a global issue which has yet to be solved. Our team decided to contribute our time and efforts to solve this issue. For this, first we did prior art search and prepare mind map on waste categorization, where we studied different types of waste and its various sources from where it gets generated. Here we come to know about which problem at which we must look at. So we decided to work with COVID waste, as this is very important in these days. So we prepared a mind map for COVID waste disposal system, where we looked for various components of collection, segregation and disposal. To initiate our work, we decided to speak with stakeholders. First, we spoke with garbage collectors from Housing Society, BMC and Gram Panchayat. We spoke with around 20 garbage collectors to understand actual scenario and challenges which they are facing. Then we also spoke with NGOs on different platforms to know actual process of waste management and the current situation in the country. We did prior art work and finalized few ideas which we shared with grassroots innovators and grant coordinators, took their reviews which help us in our system design. Also we took their guidance for mock-up models. We also did a survey with common people, as these masks and gloves used by common people. So it is very much essential to understand their habits, their actions and reactions and the challenges which they are facing. Around 120 people took our survey, and from that we come to know 94 people uses mask when they goes out from the home. And only few people uses reusable things such as scarf, towel or handkerchief. The people agreed that they are throwing these masks on the road or in the dustbin. When we asked them about waste management for these masks and gloves, they said they are willing to do, but there is no such facility of collection, segregation and disposal is there in their residential area. It helped us to design our system. This is our concept of COVID waste disposal system, and we decided to dispose this waste at source. These are three main components of our system, that is collection tool, disinfection box and the incinerator, that is our disposal tool. The collection tool will be used by garbage collector or garbage picker. By using this tool, this person can collect mask and gloves from a safe distance, which can be disinfected in the disinfection box and later it can be disposed. Our team decided to work with collection tool and the disposal tool. This is the mind map of our collection tool, where we decided to work on pick up, hold and release mechanism of this collection tool. For this, we did market research and the product review of available products in the market right now for waste collection. Then after researching these products, we decided to redesign this tool so garbage collector or garbage picker can use this tool easily from the safe distance to collect masks and gloves which are lying there on the road in various areas.
Before making a mock-up model, we draw few sketches of tool for brainstorming. This is our model 1, where we used wooden stick, pipe and plastic shaped as a claw for grabbing. Then we made model 2, where we used needle for grabbing the waste. As in model 1, we can only grab one thing at a time. So here the waste we can grab as much as the shape and the size of needle is, but we cannot release that waste attached in needle. So we made model 3, where we used another pipe above the pipe 1 for releasing it. But as you can see, the plastic stick is straight, so we can grab only one thing, and if we want to grab another, we have to twist our hand every time. So we made model 4, where stick is straight but the body, mouth which is attached to it is 90 degree, and as we rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise, the pin will come out and go inside. And blue tray is attached, as only needle should go inside, not the waste. So we made a proposed specification of collection tool based on the market review which we have done, like which is the most commonly used material, the grip and the shape, like length and width, and how the user can use, which kind of user aspects which we have to follow, which we have done in this proposed specification.
Disposal tool, that is incinerator. So basically we are going to make an incinerator which will dispose limited waste, that is only mask and gloves. This is a table where we have written the materials of the mask and gloves with following temperatures getting disposed, with recommended shapes and sizes, and emission of gases during the process. In this table, there are incinerators with different types of technologies and materials being used of, with waste materials getting disposed into it and with its carbon footprint. These are few designs for incinerator. First one is cylindrical and the second is cuboidal. Mock-up model. It's a cardboard mock-up model where we are going to use cow dung cake, which will limit the emission of gases. Also dry grass, which will maintain the temperature. This is a mock-up model for an incinerator. Garbage inlet
For COVID waste up to 5 to 6 kg. Gas emission pipe. Fire inlet. Ash pit. Air inlet.
So basically we made a mock-up model to understand the inlets. So where and what should be the space of all of the inlets. So after the next mock-up model we are going to make, and after learning this mock-up model we are going to recognize the different types and shapes of the mock-up inlets. This is our proposed specification of incinerator, where we have, it's a rough model for our specifications after our survey. So by the survey we have taken this. Also, after the learning about emission of gases for our incinerator, we are going to change it.
We request to share your reviews and suggestions for further modifications of collection tool and the disposal tool. It will help us to redesign our tool and we can plan our trials for waste disposal. This waste disposal system will be very much helpful and useful, and it will act as a systematic disposal system for residential areas to the extent. These are our few references. Thank you.